Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new playlist. In this playlist, we will be learning that how to check different types of numbers. Along with, we'll be finding out the prime factors of any number, given number, and we'll also be evaluating the LCM and HCF. And there are some more problems. So, without any further delay, let us start with the first lecture, that is how to evaluate that whether a number given by user is Harshad number and how to evaluate the number given by user is a SPY number. So, for that you should be knowing what is Harshad and SPY number. So, Harshad number is a number when we add, let's say I'm having a number, I add the digits of that number and then I divide that sum by the divide the number by that sum, and if it comes out to be that proper division, that means the remainder is 0, then that particular number will be called as Harshad number. So here 18 is my number. What I have done, I have added the sum, sorry, I have added the digits and I got this sum as 9. Then I did what? Then I have taken the modulo operator of this 18 and 9 and it came out to be 0. That means properly divided, and hence this particular number is Harshad number. So how to do it? For that matter, what is required? First I require the number. Then I must be having some, I must be keeping some somewhere. So let us say S is that variable where I am keeping the sum. Now what will happen, you all know from the previous playlist, once I start removing the digits from a number, the number becomes 0. So I must be having, I should have one copy of it. So let's say the copy of this number is n. Okay. And then I'll start my program. While the number is not equal to 0, then what I have to do? Then I have to find out the remainder, that is n modulo operator 10. Then I have to find the sum. So sum of all the remainders till the number becomes 0. Okay. Then once this done, then remove that last digit. So n assigned, n floor division by 10. Once this is done, then you have to check if the number, sorry, the copy of that number taken modulo with the sum and that comes out to be 0, then print that the number is Harshad number. The number is Harshad number. And if this thing doesn't satisfy, then what you have to say? That the number is not a Harshad number. So else this is, the number is not a Harshad number, is a Harshad number. Okay, so that's it. So first we have taken number, then we have developed a copy for it so that we can compare with the copy. Why? Because in the process of removing the digits and adding them up, we are making this number 0. So we'll be doing this. Then this is the variable where we are keeping every number, the sum of every number. This is the one, and then we are reducing the number to 0. So if I run this and ask for 18, then the number is a Harshad number. So let us say whether 17 is a Harshad number or not. No, it is not a Harshad number. So in this way you can check whether a number entered by the user is Harshad number or not. Okay, so now let us go to this number, that is SPY number. What is SPY number? A number is a SPY number if the sum of its digit equal to the product of its digits. So what I have to do? First I have to have one number, then I have to remove the digits, then take their sum as well as the product, save them in different variables and then compare. So this can be done very easily with the help of same program. So here I am having that number. I don't require any copy. I require sum as well as product. So let us assign one, declare one variable p and assign it with 0. So sum is this. So product is nothing but p times r. Now the question is, can I give it 0? Now you are right, we cannot, because the moment I say it's 0, it becomes, everything becomes 0. Okay, so it has to be, whenever there is continuous product, remember, initialize with 1. Whenever there is sum, you initialize with 0. Now once this is done, then what I have to check whether the sum is equal to product or not. If that is the one, then I will be saying that the number is a SPY number. This one, SPY number. Else the number is not a SPY number. That's it. It is so simple. So let us take 1124 is the number. So let us run it. 1124. Now the number is a SPY number. So let us take another number. 111. Is it a SPY number? Or 112? Is it a SPY number? No, it is not a SPY number. So friends, in this way we can tell that whether a number entered by the user is a SPY number or a Harshad number. What I am giving you a task is, you do what? You write you write a program where your program should tell that how many SPY numbers and how many Harshad numbers are there between 0 to, let's say, 1000. And this is a very good exercise. What you have to do, and very simple as well. You just have to bundle this all inside a loop. That's it. The same thing you have to do here. Okay. So please try this in this lecture till this point only. In the next lecture, we'll be learning about more types of numbers. Thank you very much for watching it.